الحمد لله رب العالمين والعاقبة للمتقين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين محمد وآله وصحبه أجمعين. أما بعد, may praise be to Allah, the Creator of the world, and peace and blessing be upon His Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the head of all messengers, upon his family and all his companions. Dear audience, today I have the pride to speak some humble words about the head of all prophets and seal of Prophet Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whom Allah called mercy for the universe, saying, وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا رَحْمَةً لِلْعَالَمِينَ. We have sent you but as a mercy for all the world. Another place Allah Ta'ala says in Holy Quran, وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا كَافَّةً لِلنَّاسِ بَشِيرًا وَنَذِيرًا وَلَكِنَّ أَكْثَرَ النَّاسِ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ. We did not send you but to the entire mankind as a bearer of good news and as a warner, but most people do not know. Dear audience, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born in noble Hashmi family of Quraysh tribe in Mecca in 570 Domini. His father Abdullah died before his birth. Later his mother Amina and grandfather Abdul Muttalib also passed away while he was child. So he was brought up by his uncle Abu Talib. He lived a fair and transparent life as young man. He used to graze the goats, help his uncle in his affairs, and lead a simple life. Later he started undertaking trade caravans to Syria. People called him As-Sadiq Al-Amin. He was known in Mecca as honest, kind and respectful person. At 25 he married a merchant widow Khadija, who was 40 years old. Dear brothers, the Arabia was in miserable condition. They had no literacy, no civilization, no perfect religion. They would engage in bloody racial and tribal wars. Woman has no status in society. Even some tribes, newborn baby were buried alive due to shame. They forget religion for their father Sayyidina Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam and Sayyidina Ismail alayhi salatu wasalam. They took to worshipping idols and converted Kaaba into great idol house. They had multiple gods and offered their prayers to them. Dear audience, other world religions in the 6th century had no part in life. Christianity was Christianity had lost the teaching propagated by Sayyidina Isa alayhi salatu wasalam. Judaism was already racial creed, and the rabbis turned into looters, and India and other eastern countries were in full grip of idolatry and statue worship. The spirit of Buddhism and Jainism also gave way to Brahminical distortions. At last, I pray to Allah, the giver, for this statement. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillah.